Okay, so problem 3 now. The 9 members of a baseball team went to an ice cream parlor after the game. Each player had a single scoop of chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry ice cream. At least one player chose each flavor, and the number of players who chose chocolate was greater than the number of players who chose vanilla, which was greater than the number of players who chose strawberry. Let n be the number of different assignments of flavors to players to meet these conditions. Find the remainder when n is divided by 1000. So, since there are 9 members, and we know that the number of people who chose chocolate is greater than the number of people who chose vanilla, which is greater than the number of people who chose strawberry, there's going to be only a few cases that might work for this. So, we know that this can't be equal, and we have to find some numbers that are close and that sum to 9. Let's try with 5, and then 3, and then 1. Would that work? Yeah, it'll work. Then let's try to move closer. 4, 3, 2. Would that work? Yeah, that'd work. Let's try 5, 2, 2. No, that doesn't work. So we know that we've hit a limit, and we can start looking for one last one that might work. Since these are so spread far apart, what if we did 6, 2, and then 1? Yeah, that'd work as well. So these are the only 3 cases that work if you write down all of the cases. Since we have these 3 cases, then the number of ways to do this is simply 9 factorial over 5 factorial, 3 factorial, and the number of ways to do this is just 9 factorial over 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, and the number of ways to do this is just 9 factorial plus 6 factorial, 2 factorial, right? And if we just sum this, we can get 9 factorial over 5 factorial, 3 factorial, plus 9 factorial over 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, plus 9 factorial, 6 factorial, 2 factorial, equals 2016. Since the problem asks us to find this, when this is divided by 1000, then we know that the remainder is just 016, which is our answer.